1973 Plymouth Road Runner 360. Runs and drives good. It's not a show car, but it is a driver. This guy enjoyed this car. He looks like he drove it every day. It's got a nice aftermarket fat wheel on the back. It looks original. We sell and ship worldwide. We finance nationwide. Please visit our website for more information on that. Just scroll down in the description for the website. It's got brand new rear shocks, dual exhaust, looks fairly new. It is a true road runner. Here's the name of the company right there, phone number and website. This is our first venture into the Plymouth Mopar and muscle world. So it's a nice choice, nice entry car. Seats are in decent shape for the year. Road Runner. And yes, it does have the right horn. Paint's in decent shape. Looks like it was repainted a couple spots through the years, but mostly original. Motor's in great shape. Got headers. We redid the AC, so the AC is nice and cold. A lot of new parts under here. Like I said, a lot of love went into this car. Thanks for watching.